Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on fitness gear with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the type of fitness gear you need. Visit Amazon's website or app and create an account if you don't already have one. Use the search bar to enter specific keywords related to the fitness gear you are looking for. Narrow down your search results by selecting relevant categories, such as exercise equipment or athletic wear. Utilize the filter options to set your budget range and only view items within that price. Take advantage of Amazon's customer review system to gauge product quality and satisfaction. Add multiple items to your cart to compare prices and features. Before finalizing your purchase, check for any available coupons or promotional codes. Look for items labeled as Amazon Choice or Bestseller for popular and reliable products. If you're a Prime member, filter your results to show only Prime-eligible items for faster shipping. Consider checking the used or refurbished section for discounted items in excellent condition. Keep an eye on seasonal sales events, like Black Friday or Prime Day, for major discounts. Set alerts for items on your wish list to be notified when prices drop. Review the return policy for each item to ensure you can send it back if it doesn't meet your expectations. Once you confirm your selections, proceed to checkout and enter your payment information. Complete your order and wait for your fitness gear to arrive. By following these steps, you can maximize savings on your fitness gear from Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.